Hi, grade 5. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will make a revise on Unit 2 and Unit 3. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, I will make a quick revise on Unit 2 and Unit 3. Last video, I revised Unit 1. Today, I will make a quick revise on Unit 2 and 3 because of the exam test. Let's go to make a revise. Here we have in this unit, we took some vocab. Let's remember each other with this vocab. Here we have kung fu, sailing, squash, toxic, emissions. This is called emissions. This called emissions that's coming from factories. Have greenhouse. The smoking is from factories. This is called emissions. Greenhouse, nightmare, planet. Here in this part, we talk about what? About making suggestion by using let's plus infinitive form. As we told you, let's must be followed by what? Let's must be followed by the infinitive form of the verb. Like what? Like we say when we say let's go, let's play, let's read, let's play, let's read, and so on. So here we have let's, and this expression must be followed by the infinitive form of the verb. Okay, like this one. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have let's go. When we're asking about sports or sports that you are good at, here we have good at plus good at. We have good at and ing form, but here we good at the writing a sport after eight. Good at must be followed by the sport that I like. When we say I'm good at squash, I'm good at what? Football. We can say I'm good at football. Okay, this is the good at. Okay, good at football. We can say good at what? Good at tennis. Okay, I would like to say that we can say good at any place that I prefer. Okay, not this one, not with this one on any sport that I prefer. Okay, let's go to another one, to another item here. Here we have comparative adjectives. I explained this lesson in separated video in basic summer course that I explained in previous videos. You can, if you want to know this, you can return to revise the last videos that I explained this lesson and see it. Okay. But here I will repeat it again. Okay, here I will repeat it again. But if we would like to revise it, you can return to the videos and revise it again. Okay, here we have comparative adjective. What is the comparative? Comparative means I compare between two things, two persons, to any two things. Okay, any two things. So here we have in comparative form, we have two kinds of comparative form. We have short adjectives and we have long adjective. Can say what is Miss Iman short adjectives and long adjectives. Or adjective, we can say in another language, we can say one syllable and two syllable and more than one syllable. What is the difference between them? The difference between them is easy to know. What in the short adjective or adjective is one syllable, like what? Like tall, like short, like long, and so on. We adding er and then. This is the short adjective with syllable. Okay. In the comparative form, long adjective, what we can do, we can say more adjective than. Like this sentence. We say math is more difficult than English. Some others say English is more difficult than math. If someone like math or don't like English, so we say English is more difficult than mathematics. For example, here we have more adjective than. Here we have er and then Here we have er, and then this is the adjective of one syllable or short syllable. We have irregular syllables. You can say, Miss Iman, we have irregular syllables. We have irregular adjectives like irregular verbs. Yes, in adjective we have irregular verbs like what? Like good, Peter, bad, worse. This is irregular verbs. Okay, we must know. Here we have good at squash. Here is Peter ate than. So here Peter ate or worse than, like this. Let's go to another lesson here. Here is good at, but here we have good at and adding ing as a gerund. Okay, let's know this expression. But before I will go to do so, I must be know that some vocab here before we go to this lesson. Here we have taekwondo, chess, do, jack sauce. This jack sauce. This is we can say do jack sauce. This is the jack sauce. Okay, we have table tennis and ball. Okay. Here is we have good, great, bad, at. We have at and good at, great at, bad at. Must be followed by infinitive form and noun, like this. We say I'm very good at drawing or at handball. This is when we want to say when we say a sport, we say great at any sport. Okay, and here we have bad at making cakes. Here is at making, drawing, and handball. He had good at, great at, bad at, and must be followed by infinitive form, adding ing. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here is we have singular e. We omit e and adding ing when we make a continuous tense or a gerund. Say having, making, drawing. When we have a vowel like this, we say like running. We say running, adding a double n and ing. Swimming, cutting. Let's go to another lesson. Sports places, and equipment. Here we have squash rackets, karate suit, swimming goggles, tennis court, and football pitch. Here we have vocabulary here of Olympic Games, athlete, competitor. Here we have competitor, and we have compete, the verb. Compete can written like that, like this. Okay, you can say compete. Say competitor or compete. Compete is the verb. Okay, compete. We have here compete. Okay, don't say complete. Complete is another meaning, but here we have compete. Is the verb of what? Of competitor and competition. Okay, this is called compete. Okay, let's go to another item here. We have here price, water pollution, water bodies. This is water bodies. This is the water bodies. This is water pollution. Organisms. This is called organism. I think you take it in science. Not difficult for you. Think. Let's go to general exercise related to unit 2. This is a reading text. You can depend on reading text. I would like to say when teacher comes to class and reading, you must listen carefully to it. Okay, to hear. Okay, you must listen carefully to answer this question. Okay, to answer this question, must hear carefully. Okay, let's go to another question. Choose the correct answer. Some of you saying this is an easy question. It's not an easy question. We know that it's easy, but it's easy when you study and you select the correct answer in the correct answer to the correct question. Okay, don't select without thinking. You must think before you select. Here we say, I'm very good at. Here is we know in the lesson that good at must be followed by what? Must be followed by gerund. We can say plays, wrong. We can say played, wrong. We can say play, wrong. All these are wrong. So the correct answer it will be playing. You can say why Miss Iman select playing? Because here we have at, and as we know in the lesson, we know that at must be followed by an ing form, like this. I wear my swimming boots, wrong. Kicks, wrong. Rockets, wrong. Swimming goggles, this is one. To go swimming. I'm great. Here's I'm great at. The expression is great at. Great at. We say great at, good at, and bad at. Great at. This is if you know the expression, you can select the correct answer. We must stop air pollution to what? Clean air. To what? To breathe. We must stop air pollution to breathe. To breathe clean air. Okay? Not to protect, not to breathe, not to win. To must to what? To breathe. Let's go to another question. Here we have, what sports do you watch on TV? You can say what sports that you watch on TV. Let's note. Here we have the air. The air is toxic. There are three. I love watching Kung Fu. I can move fast. That live in water. Here we have the answer. It will be, what sports do you watch on TV? What's your favorite sport that you interesting when you're watching on TV? It's what's this sport? Here we have, I love watching Kung Fu. So the answer, it will be here number 1. Let's go to another one. We must understand the sentence before you select. Okay, you must answer the sentence and know what this sentence wants from you. Water pollution can kill organisms. That in water. So the answer, it will be this one. That in water. I'm good at table tennis because what here? Because I'm good at table tennis because what? Because I can move fast. Here is I'm good at table tennis because here is this one. I can move fast. This one, number 3. I can move fast. How many sounds are in the word sock? How many sounds? It will be, there are 3. So this one, number 4 by this one. Okay, we can say, Miss Iman, we have here 5 and we have here 4. They putting an extra sentence to make humans understand, and are you understand or not? So when we have sentence that can't have a suitable answer, here is not wrong, because here we putting an extra sentence to know how you to know if you understand or not, or not understanding. Okay, let's go to another one here. Let's read the text and answer the question below. Water pollution is a type of pollution where different bodies of water, such as rivers, lakes, and seas, can be dirty because of harmful chemicals. Because of harmful chemicals. There are many causes of water pollution, such as wastewater, toilets, and showers. Some big factories throw harmful chemicals into the water and make it dirty. There are many spaces of water pollution. There are many what? There are many different. So the answer, it will be here different. Lakes, the rivers, and seas are space of water. Are space of water. Lakes, rivers are bodies of water. Are here bodies. Bodies of water. Okay, bodies of water. Let's answer the question, the two questions below this one. Here we have water pollution. What's the water pollution mean? Is a type of pollution where different bodies of water such as river, lakes, and seas can be dirty. Okay, this is the answer of this question. How can factories cause pollution? By what? By throwing harmful chemicals into the water. Let's go to another one here. Let's write the rule that we know it here. Subject plus verb plus object. Let's practice this rule in these sentences. Here we have, where is the subject here? Water. So it will be water pollution. Water pollution. Here is water pollution is very dangerous. Water pollution is very dangerous. So the answer to be, I answer 2, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I see you how to do it, and you can do it by yourself the rest. water pollution is very dangerous. Here is we have, I answer one of a statement, one question. Here, what can I do here? I can do what to do, as we told you, that when we have a question, I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. Let's do it together. What? What is your favorite? What is your favorite sport? So the answer, so the question is, it will be, what's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. What's your favorite sport? And I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. I would like to do some. I would like to say something, that if you have a question form, you must don't forget the question mark. It's important to put the question mark. Some of you saying, why what happened when I forget the question mark in the statement, in the question form? You take half mark. Okay, so it's not need to lose marks. You must know to gain marks, not to lose marks. Okay, so we must put if we have a question form like this, we must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another question. Here we have among to eight. What can I do this sentence? Here we have, as we told you, that we must underline the letter, the mistake, the letter is that I corrected. Okay. Here we have Aswan. Aswan here must be written in what? In capital letter. So here I underline the wrong letter, and I corrected like this. Here is Aswan. I live with my family in Aswan, and I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's continue let's go to lesson 3. Here is lesson 3. How do I look? So I talk about what? About my my shape and my clothes and so on. Let's go to this unit. Here is, we have some vocab here. Our trip to El Fayoum. Here is sweater. Here is sweater. Here is sweater. Knickers, necklace. All of us, all the girls know necklace. I think any girl can't know it. Can't know this jewelry. All of us wear it. Okay, in our neck. All of girls and women, not the boys. Women and girls wear it in. It's in her neck. Necklace. Here is necklace. Suitcase. Stripped. Here is stripped and spotted. Spotted is like this. We have spots here like this. Here we have stripped. We have here frill. Here we have to express the need of doing something. We say, I need to do something. Like say, I need to bake my green t-shirt. Here is an imperative form. In the imperative form, I use the infinitive of the verb like this. We say, come on, or can say, shut down. Shut your book. Or can say, shut down. Okay, or can say, shut down. Or can say, close your books. Close your books. Here is close your books. Can say, close your books. Okay. So here we have this what. This called what? This called imperative. This is the imperative form. The imperative form must be in infinitive form. Okay, must be in infinitive form. In infinitive form, in the stem of verb. Okay, you can't say shutting. If we say shutting, this is wrong. Shutting is wrong. Okay, we can say shut, close, go, come, and so on. Okay, don't adding ing to the verb. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here we say, come on, we need to bake our suitcases for holiday. Giving advice. When we giving advice, we say what? You should bake a sweater. You should study hard. If I want to give you an advice, I say you should. You can say you should study hard. I can say you should study hard. You can say you should study hard. To study hard to what? To succeed in the exam. You should study hard. You should study hard. You should help your mother, for example. You should help your mother, for example. Should help your mother. Help your mother. You should help your mother. Your mother, for example. You should help your mother. Your mother. Okay, this is how this is the ways of using should. Okay, let's continue. Let's go to another one here, to another item here in this unit. So in this unit, we took how many things that we know it here in the grammar form. We know here, we know the comparative form. I know here the comparative form. We know the comparative form in this unit. We know in this unit. We know the here is no, it's here we took an advice. We took the imperative. We took need to. Okay, this is the structure of this unit. Okay. In the last unit, we took what? In the last unit, unit 2, we took about what? We have the comparative form. We know the comparative form, and we know let's plus infinitive form. We use good at plus infinitive form. Good at plus infinitive form. We know the comparative form. We know the let's plus the infinitive form. This is the structure of unit 2. In unit 3, we took another structure, the grammar, which is I need to do something. No, I need to plus the infinitive form, and we took also the imperative form, like come on, go on, and we use should to giving advice. Let's go to another item here in this part. Let's continue. Here we have plate, crown, galabeya, bucket, Sylvie, this is Sylvie, gloves, custom, okay. Custom, this is that use the actor wearing in when we making character, they wearing custom. Okay, the actors we wearing it when we make a character, like we make when one actor make play a role of Nasser Salahuddin, for example. We have customs that related to this time. Okay, so here is called custom. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we talk about the past simple tense. When we use this tense, grade 5, I think we took it more and more in grade 1. In grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and then repeated in grade 5. Okay, I think this tense we took it more than one time, and we know it. Okay, can't I don't say we don't know it, Miss Iman. You are known. So here in this tense, the past simple tense, we use it to express the action that happened and ended in the past. And this tense and this action hasn't existed. We use this tense for what? Grade 5. We use it to narrate when we want to go when we will be in this school. You narrate to your classmate about something that happened yesterday. We say, for example, yesterday I went to my grandparents. I played with my cousins. I bought some chocolates and some candies. So here I narrate what happened what happened yesterday. So here the past simple tense expressing action started and ended is the past. Let's go to know more about this tense. Here is subject plus the second form of the verb. We have 3 forms of the verb. Okay, infinitive form and second form like adding Like say, when we say drink, when we say, for example, go, this is the verb go. We have the past of go is went, and this is gone. Okay, we can't talk about this now because now we talk about this tense, the past, not this called past participle. Okay, this is the past participle of the verb. This is the past simple of the verb. Okay, this is the difference between them. Okay, past simple. Okay. And you say, Miss Iman, what can do it? You can, I think all of us have these columns of the verbs in your books. You must keep it. Okay, no way to keep it. Okay, as we told before, the million times, that the irregular verbs in English is like the timetable in mathematics. Can you answer any problem in the mathematics without keeping the timetable? This is the same in English. This is the same in English, okay? So here we have go, went, gone. So this is the second one, this is the second column, and this is the third column, okay? So here is, this is the irregular verbs. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here we have in the regular verbs, adding ed like this. Invented. Here is invented, helped, stayed, studied. Here I omit y and adding ied to the verb. Stopped, we have doubled b. Okay, here we have, as we told you, this is called a regular verb. Go, went, take, took, wear, wore, drink, drank, get, got. This is called the second column of the verb. I bought a new dress yesterday. Infinitive of the infinitive of verbs. Here is infinitive of verbs means what? Means the same meaning equals the same meaning of because. Equals the same meaning of because. Okay. Here is the same meaning of because. To do something means equals same meaning of because. When we say she went to town to buy a dress. Okay. We can say this. We can say because he want to buy, and we can replace it by saying because he want to buy, because she want to buy a dress. Okay, this is the two plus the infinitive form to giving the purpose or the reason what doing something. She went to town to buy a dress. She went to the club to play tennis. We can say she went to the club, and saying, when you say because she want to play tennis, in another meaning, because he want to play tennis, because he wants to play tennis, because he wanted, or we say he wanted because it's because it's in the past. We say because he wanted to play tennis, because he wanted to play tennis. Okay. So here to expressing the reason. Okay, let's go to another one. Here is the ellipse and shoes and shoemaker. Here we have ellipse, shoemaker, leather, workshop, honest. Here we have smart, school uniform. All of us know the school uniform. This is tie. Your father and your father wearing it. I think you know it. Tie. Pale. This is pale. Simopiro. Simopiro. This is the head called simopiro. Trouser. Here is trousers. Here is linen. Here we have the arrange of the adjective. We say this is the arrangement of adjective. We have size, age, color, material, noun. We say here noun, dress. So we say big or small, old or new, red or black, cotton, linen, dress. Okay. So here is the describing of this dress. Okay. I say this is a big white new cotton, galabeya. I bought a blue, a light. Here is a light, blue linen. Okay, I would say she has a new red dress. Let's do the exercise related to unit 3. Here we have I wear my space and gloves in winter. I wear my coat. So, and the answer, it will be I wear my coat. I need to bake my clothes in the suitcase, as we know it in the lesson. She didn't space her homework yesterday. So I would like to say when we have didn't. So I put the verb in what? In the infinitive form. Don't have didn't and putting ed to the verb. If we do so, it will be what? It will be 0. We must know this because did or didn't replaced what? Replaced ed, as we know in what? In does. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise here. I went to the market to space some rice to buy. So here is 2 plus the infinitive form. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. We need to pick our what? To pick our suitcases. So the answer, it will be number C. Number C by number 1. Suitcase. The shoemaker uses leather to make shoes. All of us know that shoes is made of what? Of leather. Okay, leather. I wear a blue shirt. A blue shirt. Space. Blue shirt. I wear a blue shirt at school. I wear a tie with what? With blue. I wear a tie with blue strips. Okay. So here I describing the tie that I wear. Okay. Okay. Let's go to we have an extra word. This is to make you to examine if you understand or not. So we can if we don't have the sentence related to this extra words, you can't select it. Okay. We do in the exam. We do this to examine your understanding, not to select. If we can't have any sentence here we have 4 and here we have 1. This extra sentence we put it for what? For examine the understanding. Let's go to the comprehension text. Here is yesterday. Our school made a trip to one of the closest factories. We went there on the school bus. There. We show how clothes sorry made. They made clothes in one factory, and clothes like shorts, not shorts, shirts, suits, and trousers in another. We took a rest in one of the restaurants. We had lunch there. It was a wonderful trip. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. The underline there refers to what? To bus, to restaurant, to factory, to clothes. Let's read the sentence to understand what there refers to. Last Saturday, our school made a trip to one of the closest factories. We went there on the school bus. There we saw how clothes is made. So here is there refers to what? To the factory, because here is there we saw how clothes is made. So when we say the answer, it will be factory here. They went to the factory by what? To the factory by school bus. So by bus. Where here I ask about what? You can revise with me. The WH question refers to what? Here is where, ask about place. Where did they take a rest? Take a rest in one of restaurants. So the answer, it will be this number 3. Okay, you can't do this. You must write the sentence. You must write complete sentence. And we know that we have did. So it will be here took. So the verb must be in the past form. Okay. When did they go to school factory? Here is, it will be I correct the verb here. It will be 1. Why when? Because we have did. When they go to, so here ask about what? Ask about time. Let's know the time here. Ask about time. When did they go to a closest factory? They went to closest factory in what? Closest. They went to. when they last Saturday. So the answer would be last Saturday. So the answer would be last Saturday they went to a closed stop. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit. Here is we have subject plus verb plus object. What can I do it here? As we told, this is the rule of the rearrange. You must know it. When we make a question, what I can do, I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. Let's answer this question. Here is the answer. It would be Marwa. This is the subject. I would like to say something in grade 5. Sometimes you can't underline the subject. So we must know the subject as we know it is. The subject must be in two cases. Sorry, must be in two cases. Must be in pronoun and noun. Like what? When we say Mona or Ahmed or any name, we say for example Mona, or say I, or say Ahmed, and can replace Ahmed, and we can replace Ahmed or Mona by what? We can replace Ahmed by he and Mona by she. This called noun or pronoun. Okay, so the subject can be noun or pronoun, or they anything. Okay, any pronoun or any noun, so it will be the subject. Okay, so we must know that sometimes if we can't underline the subject, you must know it. Okay, here is Marwa. Marwa is the subject. Where is the verb? Is what? Is wearing. I'm listening. You say, Miss Iman, you are clever pupils. Wearing is wearing what? Is wearing a spotted. As we know the rearrangement of the rearrangement of the adjective, we say wearing. She's wearing a spotted dress. A spotted dress. So here we have I described the dress by spotted. Okay, spotted dress. The rearrange of the adjective. Okay. Here we have this is the statement. I can do this as a question. I answer two different kinds of this question. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is we have this is another kind of rearrange, but in question form. What can I do with? So the answer it will be what do you wear? What do you usually wear? What do you usually? What do you usually wear? What do you usually? As we told you before that the keywords of present simple comes between the adjective and between the subject and the verb. What do you usually? What do you usually wear? 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 Okay. What do you usually wear? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. I will leave the two sentences to do it as by practice this rule on the rest of the sentence. Let's go to another question here. Here is the punctuate. Let's answer this question. As we told you before that when we answer the question of the punctuate, you must underline the wrong letters that we corrected. Here we have we are traveling to Alexandria. If Alexandria written in a small letter like this, I can underline and written in capital letter. Here is written in what? In capital letter. So the which letter here is wrong. Here is F. So this is the name of the day. So it must be written in capital letter, and I put picture and I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. And if the sentence is the question form, I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Now we know how to do this question. I think 1 mark is not it's easy to take it. Okay, not to lose it. Okay. We are traveling to Alexandria on Friday. Today by this question I end from revising Unit 1 and Unit 1 in last video, and today I revised Unit 2 and 3. I hope to benefit from my videos that I revised for you. I hope to enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.